guys, it's Katie. I have another clean with me today. I cleaned out my garage because I had to fit both of our cars into the garage for winter time. It just snowed here this week, so it was a little bit of a wake-up call. Here I have a driveway association, so we all pool our money together so we can hire a plow for the snow in the wintertime. We get a lot of snow here. Lana is coming to visit. Say hi, Lana. And she's such a cute little girl. She's so cute. Hi, baby. Oh. Are you done? Do you like it? Do you like it? All right. Well, Lana will just hang out for a minute. So we had to get everything cleaned out of there. When we moved, it just kind of turned into a catch-all for whatever stuff we didn't know what to do with yet, or whatever stuff we didn't use very often. So there was quite a bit of stuff in there, including these huge shelving units that we had in our old apartment. Our old apartment was a very industrial apartment. It was cement floors. It used to be a factory. There were iron beams and there was like sliding iron doors. It was really cool, and we had these metal shelves that went with the apartment, and Phil, my boyfriend, really wanted to bring these metal shelves to our new home. He was very excited about it, and sometimes you just have to compromise. I am sure that I do things that he doesn't like, so I let him bring the shelves, and the shelves sat in the garage for a couple of months with nothing on them. So I took them apart. There's a video of me taking them apart in here. There's also a video of me just cleaning stuff up and organizing, and then I show you when it's all clean. And I took a picture of both cars in the garage. I did successfully make this happen. So I'm very happy and hope you enjoy. I'm going to speed this up because it did take me quite a while, and I hope you enjoy. So I'm just starting out here. I'm trying to decide really what I want to do. I decided the best thing to do was to move those shelves I was telling you about, so I had to clean everything off of them. I found a bag of really old books that my boyfriend's grandpa left. Just taking stuff off the shelves. All my gardening stuff was there. And my bird seed. Oh, bags. Like reusable grocery bags. Irises. I love how I just throw them on the floor. Oh, I stabbed myself on accident. There was a knife sitting on top of those boxes, and I didn't see it because it's taller than me. I had to get a rubber mallet to get these apart. part of the garage is the only place that has enough room to store the things that we really keep in the garage with in order to fit both cars in there, because it is very tight. It's a small garage. So all the stuff that I use in the summer and the spring, it's all going there in this corner. I'm sad grilling season is over, but now that we've got snow, it's pretty impractical to try to grill anything. And now I'm just putting the things that I took off the shelves up onto, I have shelves that run alongside the top there. You can see me putting them on. Amaryllis pots. So this is like right there in front of the door is another place where I can just put the trash cans. My aerator. And bird feed. Oh, I was so sad. I got that clock in our old apartment and it actually fit in our new house, and I put it on the wall and it fell off and broke. I haven't hung my horseshoe yet. I was getting pretty tired at this point and just putting stuff places so I could park the cars. I think it was 11 or 12 o'clock at night. And it's all done. There you go. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more stuff like this, go ahead and subscribe, like my video, leave a comment below. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see me do in my house. There is a lot of stuff in here because when we moved in, we bought my boyfriend's grandfather's house and he left quite a bit of stuff here for us. So we are still not all the way unpacked. I can do some better folding videos. I bought a tripod so that I can get like an above view of me folding. I happen to be pretty good at folding. And I have just a lot of organization stuff that I want to do with my house. There's a couple of different cupboards that I want to rearrange. That might be fun to watch. So there's a lot of stuff that I'm planning on doing in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned. Again, my name is Katie, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put that link in the description box. You can go ahead and follow me there too. All right, thanks, bye.